Coming in with another one. We're gonna compound our wheel. Make sure it's nice and compounded. And we have our part. Juniper's finest lighting. Here we go. This is the back face. Flip it around. Meet right back at the halfway mark. Blend it so it goes together in uniform. Beautiful. And other sides. We're gonna tilt it at a certain angle to make sure we're getting in there really good. Let's do our corners first. Make sure they're very nice and clean. Last one. Now we'll give it a tilt. Make sure we don't cross grain anything and our lines are all going uniform the way it's supposed to be. As you can see, doing pretty well. And now we go for the front face. We'll do an up and down. And there's our part. Beautiful. Look at those lines. That's what I enjoy the most. Checking out those lines. Beautiful.